Scrappy family, Amanda here. We are going to work on another Disney double page layout today. I am working on some photos of me and my kiddos waiting to leave in some Disney outfits. We were just really cute. This was all of us in our matching shirts. So I want to document that. I'm going to use this collection from PhotoPlay called A Day at the Park by Michelle Coleman. And so this just has, this collection came with pattern paper, six sheets of pattern paper, as well as a sticker sheet. So that's what we're going to focus on today. Here's just a quick run through. It's got two sheets of each of the designs, which we love. Some cut aparts. Oh, I think I'm going to use this one. Yeah. We're going to put this one to the side. We're going to use this one. It has a star pattern on the back, and then this one with all the words on it and polka dot on the back. So we are going to use that with the sticker sheet and some other Disney embellishments that I have in my stash. So I'm not using a sketch today. I'm just going to go from my own mental inspiration today, using our 2 sheets of white American Crafts cardstock. I just want to lay out my photos here. Okay, so I'm gonna do somewhat of a block pattern for the layout here. I think we'll do it like this. And then to bring in the pattern paper, I think I might do some Kiwi Lane design template to use up some pattern paper here, and then frame these with some cardstock and then embellish. I think that'll be a pretty easy layout to get done. So I'm going to, I want to use this sheet here, and then the back of it as well. All right, so I'm gonna break out one of my Kiwi Lane templates, see which one I like, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to decide to go with my Sunnybrook Lane Kiwi Lane design template. I'm going to use pattern 1 and pattern 2. If you don't know what Kiwi Lane is, they make these sturdy plastic templates that you trace out and utilize to help build your pages. It's to make scrapbooking easier, a little less thought is the thought behind it, I believe. However, I love using them. It helps me be creative, and I love that. So you would just line it up on your paper, remove one piece, trace it out, then you're going to cut it out. This particular pattern paper is kind of glossy, so it's going to be interesting how I can trace this on the paper. I am going to, typically you use a pencil, but again, because this is such glossy paper, I don't know if my pencil will work. Okay, it works. You just have to go over it several times. Not ideal, not ideal. Okay, so let me cut off this branding strip and get started. So now I'm going to cut out on the opposite side, which I could have done to probably make it a little bit easier for me on the reverse. So if you are cutting out your Kiwi Lanes and the back side is lighter, where you can more easily see your pencil mark, you can turn it over. Just make sure that when you turn it over, you still have the orientation that you desire on the paper, because that can really mess you up if you don't pay attention to it. Speaking from experience. So I'm going to erase my pencil marks from here. You can erase your pencil marks, or if you ink the edges of your paper, if you ink the edges, it will clear that up as well. But I typically do both. Sometimes the lead from the pencil mark will interfere with whatever color you decide to ink. So I just like to erase as much of it as I possibly can. Okay, so let's see how we're going to build this out. So the thing about this is, I don't know if my pictures are true 4x6. All right, it leaves a little space, so that's fine. It's not as bad as it could be, as sometimes they are. So, all right. Okay. As I was putting the photos down, I thought about putting the 2 pictures of my son together and then the 2 pictures of my daughter together, but then I decided just to zigzag them just to add some additional character to the layout. No real rhyme or reason to it. I just thought it looked cute that way. Okay, and this picture will be perfect right here. Okay, great. So I'm going to ink my edges and I'm going to get all of this put down, and then when we come back, it'll be time to embellish. Now we are done. We have our pattern paper down. We have our photos down. I matted the photos each with pattern paper from the collection pack as well. It was a red background with colored polka dots on it. So it had black, white, yellow, and the craft color that's a part of this collection. So I decided to use that to back our photos with. Now, for the embellishments, the paper pack came with some stickers that I think we can use some of these. Some of them are specific to being in the park, so we may not be able to use those, but that's okay. I like this Magical Morning because it was the morning before we left. I like Photo Op. My, oh my, that's always so cute. Best vacation ever. So we'll use some of these, but I really want to use up this particular stickers that I got from Scrapbook Customs. I received this actually in a Christmas gift from a Christmas swap I participated in. So I'm just going to open it up now, and the goal here is to use all of this on this page. I'm going to use this Making Magical Memories Together as our title, and I'm going to place this right over here. I like that, but I do feel like it needs something behind it. Let me look at the 3x4 cards that came with the collection. Here are some of the 3x4 cards that came with the collection. I'm wondering if I could use this Mickey shorts to go with that. Let's cut it out and see. Yeah, I think that can work. So I'm going to pop this up on some foam so that the title has some main character energy onto our page. Making Magical Memories Together. I think that is a wonderful title, and we can add some additional embellishments around it because it does look a little plain up there. I think I'll add some journaling down here. I think we're done with this now. I can move that out of the way. Let's see. Then we have this squad here. I'm going to use that down here for the kids because why not? And then for our ears, I'm going to put the mini ears over here by Hannah. And we could put the Mickey ears over here by little Herbie. I don't want to put it in the same spot, so I'm going to put it, I'll put it here. Right? And then, what do we think about this right here? Is that overkill? Let's see. But there's so much white space here. I think I am going to, I'm going to just put it right here. I think that looks great. Hey, congratulations to us. We used up a whole sticker sheet. I thought these stars were stickers, but they're printed on the background. Joke's on me. Okay, so good. That's done. I also have this other sticker sheet, sticker book that I brought out. It's A Magical Place by Echo Park. Not the same collection at all, but you know, with Disney papers, you really can mix and match at times. This particular Echo Park collection has a lot of the sky blue in it that this PhotoPlay collection does not, which is fine, but so not everything is as interchangeable as I would like it to be. But let's see what we can use here. You know what? There should be some stars in here that we can utilize around the title. All right, let's look here at the sticker sheet first that came with the collection to see what we can utilize. So it has some stars on here. 1, 2, only 2 stars. So I am going to use this Magical Morning like we talked about. I'm going to put that here next to the kiddos. I like this Photo Op. Let's add some of these hearts from around the page. I'm gonna put one here. And then we'll use some enamel dots as well to decorate around before we call the page complete also. So here has this star. I have these journaling sticker blocks here that I'm going to utilize this one down here to put my journaling on. Pick this star up. Yeah, and I'll add my journaling there. And I wonder if I could do this my oh my here, because it follows a similar shape. I think that'll be cute right there. So I don't have a ton to say. Just gonna... One thing my family loves is to match. Any excuse that we can as a collective to dress alike, we're doing it. If it's a cruise, if it's a holiday, if it's something that we're doing together like a character breakfast or a random trip to Disney, we will dress alike. It's just something we do. It's something we love to do. So there's always a matching shirt somewhere in the mix. I don't know where my husband was. He was with us this day. I'm not sure where he was come picture time. But that's all right. This is just, he's a very good sport as well when it comes to dressing up and giving in to my shenanigans. So I appreciate that, honey. Thank you. Let's see here. I want to add something down here. I'm just not sure what. It feels a little empty to me. Gonna look at this here and see. This is another sticker pack from Echo Park. This is the Remember the Magic collection. I like this Vacation Memories. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use that right here with the kids, because I think that is cute. I like this camera. Could I put that somewhere? I'm a sucker for a camera in real life and here. I like these stars too. I'm gonna add some of these little tiny stars around the page. This will probably take over for our enamel dots, just because I like this pendant as well that says the happiest place. Let's move that up just a tinge. Come on. Okay, I think that's going to be it. I think we're gonna call this layout done. I really like how quickly it came together. It's a very simple layout. However, it doesn't look simple to the viewer, but it was very easy to make. So I love a grid pattern such as these 4 photos here and spreading it across the double pages. I'm really proud of myself for getting this documented, for utilizing up as much of the embellishments that I did, being able to kill a whole sticker sheet. That was awesome. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you are able to do something creative to make yourself proud today as well. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.